Ayan na mga boys. So na-install na namin yung ating bumper pole antenna at andito si Dudong para para ma-testing natin kung nagwo-work siya. Ayan na. Walang yaya, natakot. Okay, one down, one to go. Na-install na namin yung isang all-weather fog lights natin para sa CRV. And okay naman yung kinabit namin. If you can see, IPF yan. So, good thing we were able to get that. Nalagyan na namin ng bracket. And ito yung nagawa namin bracket. Troso yan, don't judge us. Pero at the end of the day, kahit nabaklasin mo yan, hindi matatanggal yan. Okay, matatanggal yan pag tatlo ang natupi. Pero it's made from aluminum. And hindi yan basta-basta matatanggal. Unfortunately, the bumper didn't came with the stock brackets.
Pati yung fog light, wala rin yung bracket.
Oo, pati yung fog light, wala. So we have to think of something.
Nagbibuto kami.
Oo. So this is what we have think of. Pero naman, tingnan mo naman yung wiring nito. Kung hindi ka magutom sa wiring kung paano namin ginawa, hindi ko na alam kung paano pa. Ano pa ang maganda sa'yo. Oh, yan. Diyan na lang ang pambawi, di ba? Ito yung sinasabi nating outside temperature. Okay. So yan na. So one more para maikabit na namin finally yung ating bumper. And so finally, natapos na namin yung fog lights, natapos na rin namin yung bumper pole installation natin dito. And sobrang sarap ng feeling kasi we were able to accomplish yung mga bagay na yon. Naikabit na rin namin lahat ng mga sensors, outside temperature sensors and all that. And we are just testing all of the functionalities para masigurado namin na okay lahat. We are happy. Now we can move on to the next assignments and yung mga kailangan natin burahin dito para makumpleto natin yung buong electrical. And you can see yung functionality ng ating bumper poles doing well and doing fine. Masayang masaya kami ngayon dito at natapos namin yung mga dapat namin tapusin dito sa project na ito when it comes to electricals. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a short B-roll of the functionality and everything that you need to see. Here we go. Enjoy, guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So ayan guys, okay na yung ating bumper pole tsaka yung fog light. Nakita nyo naman dun sa short video natin. And we are happy for this. I mean, ang dami naming pinagdebatihan dito at saka pinag-isipan kung paano ikakabit at what not. Pero we were able to pull it off and maganda yung kinalabasan. So magkakabit na lang kami ng grill. And natapos din kami dito sa front end. Pero hindi pa kasi natatapos yung electricals doon. Marami pa tayong gagawin.
So, after nung electricals dun sa front part ng ating Project CRV, nag-move in kami sa interior and in-install na namin finally yung ating climate control na JDM, which is now working fine. If you can see, in-install na rin namin yung
tweeters niya at fully functioning na rin siya. I wasn't able to really include yung audio music dito kasi baka ma-copyright tayo ng YouTube. So I decided to mute the music para makasigurado lang tayo. Now, andito tayo sa process na tinitimpla ni Dudong yung ating head unit to make sure na mag-comply at saka mas maganda yung sound quality na lalabas dito based on sa preference ng driver. And we tried to set yung kanyang settings sa front driver kasi most of the time naman sa harap lang naman talaga nakikita or sa harap lang naman talaga yung makikinig nito. And wala naman sasakay nito most of the time sa likod, kundi sa driver and passenger lang. Yung head unit namin is Pioneer, and I wasn't able to get the model pero magandang klase na rin siya ng 2-din na touchscreen audio system or head unit. And we were happy with the results. Maganda yung kinalabasan at saka yung sound quality na ibinibigay ng kanyang tweeter. So, naisip ko nga rin na maglagay na rin dun sa puting CRV natin pagka nagkaroon ng budget in the future. So, we are happy with the outcome of the audio system and hindi na siya luma and masaya kami dito. And so moving on dito sa project namin, we had to make small adjustments dun sa ating Project CRV when it comes dun sa front door. Kasi yung ibang electrical switches nagpakita ng pagloloko. So we had to check and see kung ano yung reason kung bakit hindi tumataas yung kanyang power windows sa driver's side. And the only thing left that we need to fix here is yung ating plate light, which is unfortunately we still have to order and hindi pa dumadating yung plate light, but nakaabang na yung wiring nito and ready for installation once na dumating ang plate light natin. Ito yung ating AEROGENICS third brake light para sa CRV. Ikakabit na natin siya dito sa ating third brake light. Okay, third brake light cover ang tawag dito, guys. So kakabitan natin siya dito. So what we need to do is to remove this third brake light. Meron siyang dalawang dito, may dalawa siyang screw na kailangan mong tanggalin bago siya matanggal. Ito yung cover niya. So before mo siya matanggal, kailangan matanggal mo muna to, and then dalawang tenga tatanggalin, and then saka natin ilalagay sa loob yung ating third brake light cover. Okay, so let's go.
Boom!
Si Dudong na no? Okay, ayan. Tanggal na. Then, ilalagay lang natin ito dito. Ayan, so it fits perfectly. Okay.
Ay, pwede pa hawak.
Ayan.
Madumi yung kamay ko.
Ayan. So, na-install na yung kabilang side. Ito naman, lalagyan naman yung bagong kaliwa. Merong silicone ata dyan, Dong. Sandali ah. Ayan, naikabit na natin yung AEROGENICS natin. I hope you can see it. So, mamaya, sige, Dudong, testing nga. Pindutin mo lang yung preno para makita natin yung difference ng merong CRV na third brake light cover. Yun! Kaganda naman din. Diba? So guys, yan, only buy the parts that are very good. Kasi yung iba may nagbebenta, ganyan, sticker lang pag sticker yun, mahirap. Matutunaw yan, tutunawin ang third brake light mo, masisira pa yung third brake light mo. So sana wag kayong be mindful and be cautious sa mga binibili nyo rin, di ba? Kahit paano. Okay, guys, ito pa yung isang nakita naming issue dito, yung ating wiper arm. Yung wiper motor niya, hindi siya nag-automatic. So we were able to fix the problem by by cleaning. Yung ano, yung
Parang okay sa loob.
merong rotator ito sa loob sa motor, tapos may terminal yon. Nilinis lang namin, tapos tinesting. Ngayon okay na, ayan oh. Nag-intermittent na siya. Ayos. Ayun, ceasefire na muna kami ngayong araw na ito, at marami pa kaming gagawin sa mga susunod na araw. Pagod din kami, pero we were happy at we were able to finish yung we were able to cross out the things that we need to accomplish. Number 1, yung sidings. Number 2, napagana na rin namin yung retract side mirrors. O nga pala, no, hindi nyo pala nakita, pero sa susunod na episode, I'll try to include yung functionality ng ating what do you call that, yung retract side mirrors. And then finally, we were able to install at naikabit at nalinyahan at napagana na rin yung ating bumper pole. Lastly, we were able to install yung ating IBF na original CRV fog lights. So medyo maraming nangyari ngayong araw na ito, and napagod na kami. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, just give it a thumbs up. Comment down below for any questions, comments, or suggestions, and huwag niyong kakalimutan to subscribe to Bud TV if you have learned something very new today, or may mga natutunan kayo sa video na to. And I would like to say thank you dito sa partner natin kay Dudong. Dudong, kuway ka naman. Ayos na ayos. Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, we weren't able to move on with this electrical duties natin. So konti na lang, marami pa tayong kakabit sa electricals, kakabit pa tayo ng audio system, head units for that matter, and some other electrical things na kailangan natin i-sort out. So abangan nyo yung susunod na episode. Paputol-putol to, marami to. So thank you, and see you sa susunod na video. Bye-bye!